In front of me is the Oukitel OT11 and today I would like to show you how you can change apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Over here. Then scroll down again to tap on Device Unlock and tap on Face Unlock here. Finally, you can enter your current screen lock, hit More at the bottom right corner, I agree also at the bottom right corner, and before hitting Start, remember to keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then select Done. So finally, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!